at my time of life, our independent living is like a miracle and a godsend.
In the past, I've never trusted anybody, but when I met you and you explained to me what your job was, what my needs were, you were so open and understanding.
I honestly don't know what I'd do if you didn't come and visit me. You've gave me what I needed after I lost my son. You gave me the oomph to get back out into the community.
They come in and they see that you're comfortable, and they come and test the alarms for you. For the safety aspect of it, it's wonderful. You know, I would hate to be without them.
Yeah, we live in an independent living scheme. We're supported by an independent living coordinator.
If you need help with the OTs,
You've helped us get the place, you've helped us phone people we need to phone, you've helped with me occupational therapist, you've done everything for us.
I've got any letters they don't understand, she'll come and help me. So I don't see anybody from 1 week to the other and she doesn't come.
I'd be lost without them, to be honest. I'm on my own, and several others are on their own, and it's nice to see them coming.
And I never expected to be in a lovely bungalow like this. I expected to be in a home at my time of life. But independent living gives you years of extra life. Your quality of life is 100%.
It gave me back a bit of life that I lost. I thought I wouldn't have again.
I've got the greatest respect for you. You've always been there for me, haven't you? And I always look forward to it coming, don't I?
I mean, if they was to cut the funding, and we haven't got the bungalows, there's going to be hundreds of people living in misery when they could be living independently. And with all my heart, I hope the funding continues ad infinitum. It's a big word for a working man, isn't it?